I don't like. Make me a pizza. Something on that I don't like.
Hey, it's Max. Welcome to Max's Corner. I'm in the corner. I feel like a streamer. I'm here to show you how to add videos to Ableton. So if you're like me from last week and you wanted to learn how to VJ, this is how you do it for free. I tried a bunch of plugins. I feel like this one's the best. So here's Session View. I'm just going to cover the basics in Session View. So apologies if you're an Ableton Pro, but all of this is quite useful anyway for video and applies. So I got these Yamaha keyboard shortcuts, sound effects. And I've got these breakchord drums that I use in my song Moo Moo. So the first problem I had in Session View is it tries to sync the beats to the beat, which means you're left with these long pauses. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the beat to 0, and that will allow immediate changes between audio and videos. So now we got that working, we can map out stems to different keys. So we can click this keyboard button, and what I'm doing is clicking on a stem and hitting the key that I wanted to assign it to. I'm actually doing it to this PS3 Bluetooth controller, and I'll do another video about that later. But it's the same thing. It's just mapping out your keys. And something we can do instead of assigning directly to SEM is if we assign to the master track, then this will like interrupt and stop every sound after it plays. Oh no, sorry, it plays and then stops every I'll just show you. Now onto the video. So download this free Ableton plugin and unzip it. I'll put a link in the video description below. Then what I do is I'm just going to remove this for demonstration purposes, but if you find where you've unzipped the visible, I put everything music related in this folder that Splice gives you. Splice is like a free tool that backs up all my Ableton projects to the cloud and makes it easy to share my projects to others. So now I have access to Visible's tools. No, sorry, just use Splice. It is really good. It just backs everything up for free. These are all different effects you can apply to the video, but for now I'm just I'm just interested in adding the videos to Session View, which I'll do with this clip player in the input folder. So now we can drag videos. So this is the first thing I would not recommend doing. This is video with audio attached. So we drag this into the Session View and add clip player.amxd as an audio effect. Now remember this 007, as it's going to be important. If, by the way, you're in the audio edit view, you can get back to this effect edition window by clicking in the corner here. Now we need to create a MIDI track, and I'll put that there, and then we add the viewer.amxd on the MIDI track and set the channel to 007. Button, we get the video working like an audio clip.
Something on that I don't like.
And we can go ahead and assign it to a key like we did earlier. Now again, I wouldn't recommend doing this because you have the video and the audio together. So what happens is when you hit the assigned key or the assigned button, what tends to happen is it lags a little bit and throws you off the beat because it's loading a video. So what I recommend instead is isolating the audio and the video and then mapping them both to the same button, which I do here. So let me just check my notes, I'm a bit behind. So I've done that here with more toppings, so I'm going to drag this over and assign that to key 6. So by duplicating the audio, we're not going to run into problems. It's just going to play the audio first and the video slightly behind, but it doesn't really matter. And then finally, we can use the full screen. So the viewer expands, and I shove this onto the projector, and that's what you saw there.
Dictionary.
Okay, that's my tutorial on video jockeying, VJ tutorial. There'll be more, so don't forget to smash that subscribe. No, there is though, my album is coming out next Friday. So if you could give that a listen, that'd be great. It's under my name, Max By, and the album is called Sibling. So that's all I have to give you. So goodbye to you, my dearest friend.